When it comes to retirement, finding the right balance between asset allocation and creating additional income streams can feel overwhelming, especially if you're looking for ways to protect and grow your wealth. But it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll break down how to approach your retirement asset allocation and explore side hustle opportunities that align with your goals. If you're serious about securing your future, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you how to make smart decisions that protect your wealth and offer flexibility for the long term. Plus, if you want to dive deeper into why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs as a way to diversify and safeguard their assets, check the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide. This guide is especially useful if you're looking to protect your savings from market volatility. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about asset allocation. As a retiree, the key to asset allocation is balancing risk and reward while ensuring your investments are working for you. A large portion of your portfolio should focus on low-risk assets, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks. But the question is, what about inflation? The stock market can be volatile, and traditional bonds don't always offer the protection you need. Here's where gold IRAs come in. They're an excellent way to protect your savings from inflation, economic downturns, and market turbulence. By allocating a portion of your assets to gold, you're securing wealth that has withstood the test of time. On the other hand, for those who want to diversify even more, side hustles can be an effective way to bring in extra cash, especially if you want to extend the life of your savings. Some retirees opt for online businesses, consulting, or investing in real estate. However, side hustles can also come with risks. They often require time, energy, and attention, and they don't always generate immediate returns. So if you're looking for something with less risk, but still great potential for growth, gold IRAs offer you a way to protect your wealth without the hustle of managing another business venture. Many retirees might think, isn't real estate the best option for long-term wealth? While real estate can be a great investment, it's not as flexible or liquid as gold. With a gold IRA, you can easily buy and sell your precious metals, giving you better control over your assets. Plus, the tax advantages that come with gold IRAs make it a solid choice for those who want to reduce their tax burden while growing their wealth. When it comes to balancing traditional investments with side hustles, it's about finding that right mix for your unique situation. But if you've got 100K plus in your IRA or 401k or even 5M plus in savings, focusing on securing those assets should be your priority. That's why I always recommend gold IRAs to my clients. They're a safe and powerful tool to hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, especially for those in or nearing retirement. If you haven't explored gold IRAs yet, I highly recommend you do. Click the first link in the description to get a free guide where you'll learn exactly why they're the best solution to help protect your wealth. Don't wait for the next market crash to make a move. If you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, this is the best step you can take. To wrap up, retirement asset allocation is all about balance, and gold IRAs offer the security and peace of mind you need. Whether you're thinking about side hustles or other investments, don't forget that gold IRAs can be the anchor in your portfolio, keeping your wealth protected no matter what happens in the market. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can benefit you, check out the free guide linked below. It's tailored for American retirees, especially those with substantial assets like 100K plus or even 5M plus in savings. So if that's you, don't wait. Download it today and start protecting your wealth.